Okay, hey, this is Nick. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. I already took it out of the box, but I'm gonna show you guys this EBL iQuick USB charger. It's a great tool in my little go bag. I use it. I'm an IT mobile developer, so I need a lot of tools in many cases for charging things and getting things going. All right, let's do a quick unboxing. It's not much here, but I figured I'd share it. It's kind of cool. I got some other thing here. I got 2 rechargeable batteries. They're also USB charging, so it's kind of sweet. I'll kind of explain some kind of cool features here in just a minute. Okay, let's take a look at this guy. I think I paid $14 on Amazon for this. It's pretty cheap. There we go. It's got this nice little 4-array charger. I can put some rechargeable batteries in that guy. Got a little USB plug-in input. Got a nice little instructions, and of course the cord. All right. Okay, looks like it's got a nice little battery check. Less than 10%. It's red. 10 to 50. It's a little amber flashing. You'll actually see like 4 little dots there. So greater than 90%. We got green, and red flashing is bad. All right, so let's see. I think I have like 2 batteries that are almost fully charged. 2 of them are not. Let's check this guy out. I've also got this Anker USB power cord. Thing's awesome. It's got a USB-C connection for my Mac laptop, sitting right over there. You can hear my dog wandering around. So, okay, we got this figured out. Hi there, Hazel. You want to be on my video? Can you speak? Speak. Speak. Come on, you can do it. Speak. Speak. Oh, she doesn't want to do it. All right, so, okay, so I got this guy ready to go. Okay, just plug this guy in. Got a whole bunch of flashing lights. Amber flashing. Looks like amber is 10 to 50%. Green is battery capacity greater than 90%. So I guess I was right. I had a couple of them. I don't know how old these batteries are. I want to say I've had them for a couple of years. Some of them might be a little bit more shot than the others. So the good thing that I bought this about was I'm a Mac iOS developer, and I use a lot of trackpads and keyboards that are battery powered. So basically I'm going to keep this in my backpack so I can constantly charge it. I can charge it at work because I got this USB cord. I've got one of these guys at work as well, and at home, so I can constantly have batteries charged, and I don't have to go out and buy batteries. It's kind of cool. Not much to this. I want to say, I'm not going to read through all these directions. So I got, these look a little bit more like red flashing. Bad primary battery inserted. Interesting. I'll even go in there. So maybe they are bad. I don't know. One of the benefits about using one of these guys is that it is a USB pluggable item. You can pretty much plug it in almost anywhere. I want to say, yeah, shows you some milliamp outputs. Of course, the input looks like it's 2.1 amps max. All right, I'll explain these real quick. These are just little USB battery powered AA batteries. They're pretty slick. Let me see if I can kind of get really close. Can't really get too close. So ultimately you can do that. So you can always keep those in your backpack. You can always plug them into a USB outlet. Super sweet. I'm gonna plug them into that guy real quick. There's a couple LEDs on this guy. Hopefully you'll be able to see them a little bit easier. Okay, what the heck is that? We got two little big AA batteries on there. That's pretty wild. This is the cool thing I wanted to show everybody. Two AA batteries, you can plug them into a USB outlet. So if you see over here, there's two little red spots on the side of the batteries. Those are LEDs. So when they're charging, they're red, and when they're fully charged, they're green. Hopefully I'll try and show you the green, but ultimately you can see if they're charged or not. I'm going to use these to charge my my batteries for my trackpad and my keyboard, so I'll never have to go buy some batteries. So it's kind of cool, kind of freaky looking when you stick them into a USB outlet. So you can also see there, you see the little green illumination there. That means they're fully charged. These are pretty much fully charged. I stuck those in there. They'll actually turn red for a little bit, and probably, I don't know, 2 to 5 minutes after, they'll turn to green. So it's kind of cool. You'll know when they're charged. And here's the plugs for them. It's kind of cool. I figured I'd show you guys. I'll put these on the in the links below. Super handy for even a bug out bag or anything like that. Or for me, it's more of a computer. I've got to have some tools. So I bought that EBL quick charger. And quite a while back, I bought these batteries. Love these batteries. They go really well. I can always have things charged because pretty much everything's got a USB charger nowadays. Well, new laptops like that, they pretty much have USB-C, but we're getting there. All right, if you guys like this video, thumbs up, please subscribe. I would appreciate it. And I've got a lot more content. This content's kind of short. I'm still building my plans for the off-grid home. Got some kind of quick status there. Got the home plans almost finalized. The land is almost finalized. So doing some a lot of smaller videos here. All right, talk to you guys later.